this is Daisy's Diary. So today we'll be doing something different, but let's just see how it turns out. So keep watching.
Pushti and Aditya as interviewers, Shreya and Raj as educated ministers, Goldie and Nishtha as superstitious ministers. So as you all know, that India is a very good country, as all the development is going very smoothly, though there are many religions in it. We love and respect our country, but nothing on this earth is actually perfect. Our country also has some faults. So through this video, we will show you a small fault of our beautiful country which stops our country to become a developed country from a developing one. Let's begin the story. Scene 1. Election campaign.
Welcome to our show, Politicians Suspect. Today, me, Pushti, and my co-partner Aditya are going to show you the election campaigns in India. Tension builds up between political leaders as India awaits for its new leader. Political parties battles to win the election.
All news is important, but campaign coverage is most crucial because of its capacity to empower electorate. We play the role of a scorekeeper, gatekeeper and a watchdog. Here we have the forthcoming campaigns of our Indian candidates.
Who will win? We will win. Jai Bhadrakali.
Good morning, everyone. My lovely brothers and sisters. I really love my country, and my love for my country is just like Jio data plan, unlimited. I promise you all that I will definitely increase corruption. Oh, sorry, decrease corruption. I really think समझदारों का इशारा ही काफी है. So vote for Jai Bhadrakali. And we would also like to cancel out all the revenues which are pending on the farmers, so that they can enjoy their life and live freely. So vote for us.
अपना टाइम आए. Vote for SP party. Vote for SP party.
My dear citizens, please give your valuable vote to me. I will do my best to eradicate all the social issues of our country. I promise to do the needful for you.
Yes, she is absolutely right in her saying, as she can withstand against divisive politics and has clear vision for India's future. So she is the best leader for our country. What are you waiting for? Vote for her.
Scene 2. Interview. So today on our channel, there will be an election, there will be an interview of candidates. Numerous questions will be asked them, and candidates will give answer according to the perception. Play.
Politicians are back with me, Pushti, and my co-partner Aditya. Today we have some well-known political personalities on our studio.
So ladies and gentlemen, here we have JP Vasundhara and on the other side Shreya Pratihari. Thank you for giving us your precious time.
So, today is a really important day because today we are going to know who will lead our country. Today we are going to have our election results. So, if you all want to know who wins the election, stay online with us. So, getting to our question answers. My first question to Ms. JP Vasundhara is, why you think your party should win the election? Actually, I am very much sure that I will win the elections. Because before the election campaign, I went to Swag Baba. He gave me this threat and told me that I will definitely win the election, no matter whosoever is there in the opposition. Shreya, what do you think? I am very confident that I will win because I trust my citizens that they will choose the right person for them, which is me.
My question is to Bhadrakali party. There is a misconception in India that staying in close proximity to the cows can cure breathing problems. What is your opinion?
Your question is wrong. Your question is wrong because according to me, this is not a misconception. This is the reality. Cows are the only animals that actually exhale oxygen, and staying in close proximity of a cow will cure your tuberculosis. You should have known it.
SP party, what is your perspective?
I know that our country's culture has a great cows and we treat them as gods. But this does not mean that we can say anything about it. Scientifically, this is impossible. Yes, I agree that cows exhale a small amount of oxygen, but not completely. I don't want to hurt people's feelings, but this is the truth and they will have to accept it.
Yes, definitely.
Hey, did you hear the answer? It was so scientific. Are you sure what you said was okay to be shown on national television?
Just relax, dear. I know. Whatever I will say, people will definitely believe it. And I don't care what science says. I care only about my votes. So, let's take a break over here. We'll again get back to you with this fun-filled interactive session.
Pause.
So you can definitely hear in the difference in the answers of both the candidates. And I think you are smart enough to make out who should win the elections. Play.
Welcome back to the show. Let's continue with the interview. My question is to Bhadrakali Party. How will you create job opportunities for the youth?
Actually, unemployment is there because population is increasing. So instead of focusing on creating job opportunities, we should focus more on decreasing the population. Also, we see that nowadays youths are taking a lot of stress for their employment. I think they should just take a chill pill.
SP Party, what is your opinion? Actually, if we increase labor-intensive technology rather than capital-intensive employment skills, then more employment will be generated in various sectors and hence can lead to development of our country as people will be busy in their work.
It's really kind of you both to come on our studio and answer our question. So my next question to Ms. Vasundhara is, technology in India is in its developing stage. What you will do to increase its rate? Once again, I'm sorry to say that your question is wrong. Because according to me, India is not a developing country, but rather a developed country. And I'm really proud of what my country has achieved at some point of time. You know Karna in Mahabharata? And we also know that he was not born from his mother's womb, but rather somewhere outside. So definitely there must have been some genetic science to do that at that time.
Yes, and we also worship Lord Ganesha, who has an elephant head instead of a human head. So, there must be a plastic surgeon who put an elephant head on a human body, and he was the one to begin the practice of plastic surgery.
So, Ms. Shreya, what are your thoughts about? I think that technological development is something that cannot occur in a day.
It takes years for a country to be developed from developing, and in order to be developed country, it has to be in proper hands, and she has all perfect qualities to be a perfect leader. Bhadrakali Party, as per your previous answers, do you think myths and science are same?
Yes, we think myths and science are same because science is based on myths, and if there were no myths, there would be no science.
Sorry to interrupt you, but you are wrong. Science is not based on myths. Myths different.
How can you say that?
Do you have any proof about what you are?
Yes, we have the proof. It is not any myth. It is true.
It is. You cannot say this.
We have the result.
Oh.
And the majority of votes are secured by Bhadrakali Party.
तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती है मुझको सजा बिगाड़ती ऐसा क्या
You saw who won the election? That was JB Party. And you saw how they answered at each and every question. Do you really think they are capable of ruling a country?
This is completely a mystery. Let's find out more about this and inform you in our next episode.
Pause. So after seeing this, I think that this is a great problem to our country. That people judge candidates by the way they speak, not what they speak. I think there should be an IQ test for every candidate. This will definitely show whether a person is actually capable of handling a country or not. Don't forget your votes are precious, so don't waste them. Now it's time to say bye. But remember that somewhere inside all of us is the power to change the world. Your votes are not your rights, it is the power to change the world. यहाँ पे निर्भर है आपको किसको वोट करना है. जय हिंद, जय भारत.